Oh, so smooth. Dang. I tell you, it just be. I'm telling you, boy. Shoot. Dang, just be so smooth.
Yes, man.
Be the longest. I think the other way, that's the quickest. I just going this way to just
Yeah,
cruise.
this a better way though.
Yep, it's less traffic.
Yeah.
I know you don't know that song.
I can't even hear it.
Oh, yeah, I need to get new speakers.
I was gonna tell you earlier, I was gonna say, Mama, let's go for a ride.
Oh yeah, you should have said that. I would have,
Mm,
cause I didn't take no nap like I thought I was going to.
me
And-
either. Me either.
Right,
Cause at first I was sleeping. I was like, dang, I'm
right,
gonna go ahead and lay down for a minute. I don't never get into bed. Never ever get into bed.
right.
But since if I fall asleep, I fall asleep right there when I let the thing back. And I take me a little nap, then I get on back up. But
Right.
I just said, well, shoot. I'm gonna go. At first I started to come downstairs.
Yeah, I was on the couch down there. I wasn't in the room.
Right here.
Right.
Too easy. But I ain't even really. I think I probably fell asleep, but I probably sleep about 15 minutes.
Right.
Then I kept trying to go back to sleep. I was like, man, I really do need a nap. But, oh well.
Right.
I just started scrolling through my phone. Before she bought her house, she lived up there.
You see how much smoother it is ride now?
Uh-huh. It feels so cool back here.
Man, it does. That's crazy how big of a difference the trees make.
Yeah. This event down here every Saturday.
Oh, okay.
I forgot all about it. Be vendors and stuff down here.
See, that's nice.
They almost done with the walking bridge.
Oh, they redoing it?
Oh yeah, they've been
I
redoing
used,
it for a minute.
used to always like, oh yeah, I
Oh,
see it. Yeah, I'm gonna make a left right here. The aquarium. Oh yeah, that is nice.
see, they got the event going on.
And see, people had a boat out there and stuff. Yeah. But see, I
Yeah,
need
we
me a.
was coming down here for the river being on the boat.
Yeah.
We did it probably about 2 or 3 years straight. All of this right here was Kirkman on
Yo,
your right.
Stu. Oh yes, that's right up on the hill.
All it is.
Oh,
This was the
this.
school. Yeah.
Oh wow.
And the Discovery Museum was the gym. Like this street right here wasn't even right here.
Oh wow. No idea about that.
Our school went all the way to the end of the block, from one end to the down to the other end.
I'm gonna go left. Hold on.
Oh, what they doing all down here?
Right. No wonder everybody going that way. Thank you.
They say, is that a club? But I know that ain't no club.
One
That's where they
Giorgio's
had
down here
nightfall.
somewhere.
Yeah, it's still down here.
Yeah, this whole street is where they had nightfall. Giorgio's was somewhere
Back there.
there.
Yeah,
Right
that
there.
bill right there. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, oh
Yeah.
boy. Giorgio's.
They just had nightfall back there at what is that? Miller Plaza.
Yeah. Yep.
He didn't love me. And if he don't wanna look it the right way, he ain't gonna always act this way. He wanna be waiting.
Oh, Coolidge Park. I'm gonna ride through Coolidge Park. I ain't been
Yeah.
down there in forever.
Should've let it go on the day. We should've let it go.
Here though, and probably parking all the way over here just to get all the way over there to the.
Let it go.
It's just something about the grown man when you want to go, Wayne. Everybody see they nod. They don't just be waving. They nod at you. Yeah, dog pulling.
I take don't talk like me. Watch out.
Oh, I see you.
Oh, something choked me. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you
Something
all right?
just choked me.
Hey. I still got it.
Tails.
They ain't.
Right now. Okay.
Oh.
Answer your call.
He sure did. He ruined her.
Yep. She doing okay though. She moved into another country.
Yeah.
Make that another.
Oh, so smooth. Dang. I tell you, it just be. I'm telling you, boy. Shoot. Dang, just be so smooth.
This when shit like it. This what Culver said out here.
Culver's. Oh,
Culver's.
the restaurant.
Yeah.
The restaurant, right?
Yeah.
You call it what? Coverts? Culver's.
That what I said, Culver's?
Oh, okay. Yes.
Yeah.
I thought I heard a T.
Yeah. That wouldn't have made no sense when you buy that house and then you went to medical school.
No. Oh, look at them going slow.
Yeah. That's why I don't like this part right here. Look,
I mean, they.
You gotta watch them.
His car couldn't pull it. He should have started getting speed much quicker, much earlier.
Yeah.
Now, you see how the wind is off of you? Now, I thought come out of here. Now watch the difference. You can't take them nowhere.
Don't look.
Nope. Not at all. Crazy.
He is goofy as hell, I swear.
Right.
It's a bump down here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it just smooths right over.
Right. Oh my God. Both of us just shaking our head.
That's funny.
Dude is crazy.